Good morning, I welcome you to this online session. Today I'm going to talk about the book Andrew Watson. The author is Sutherland and the illustrator is David Young, published by Collins Big Cat. And today's subject is biography, a biography. So let's start by explaining what is a biography. A biography is a detailed description of a person's life. And it involves more than just the basic facts, like, for example, early childhood, education, work, and relationships. We have to distinguish between a biography and a curriculum vitae or a profile. A profile is less detailed than a biography because a profile gives us brief information about a person's life, while a curriculum vitae is more detailed than a profile. However, it's less detailed than a biography because a curriculum vitae doesn't show a person's experience of these life events. It doesn't talk about childhood. It doesn't describe one's personality. So this is what distinguishes a biography from a profile and a curriculum vitae. Now, a biography presents a subject's life, highlighting various aspects of his life, his or her life, including detailed information about his experience of his main life events. And it can also include an analysis of the subject's personality. Now, when we talk about a biography, we are talking about a non-fiction book. So today we're going to talk about this biography, Andrew Watson. Let's have a look at the front cover. So we can see a player, football player, with an old-fashioned football kit. Even the ball is different from the ball used nowadays. So this shows us that this player must have lived a very long time ago, maybe in the 19th century or before. So let's have a look at this book. We'll start by having a look at this Andrew Watson famous. What was he famous for? Andrew Watson was the first black footballer in the UK. He was also the first black footballer to play internationally. His best position was in defense, where he played either left back or right back. So this biography starts by telling us why was the person famous? What was he famous for? Sometimes this is left for further on in the book, but in this case we have this description in the beginning of the book. Andrew started playing football in Scotland in the 1870s. In those days, there were fewer than 30 clubs in the UK. And then we have some information about his childhood, the place where he was born. Okay, and a biography generally starts by talking about the early childhood of the person, his parents. Okay, it depends how detailed the biography is. In this case, we have a short biography, so we don't have that much detail. However, it tells us the date of birth. He was born on the 18th. He was born the sorry. وهلت. نرجع نبدأ.
كنتيش تعمل اكتب في نفسك.